welcome to Copenhagen. And what's the first thing you do in Copenhagen?
Wash your undies.
Laundry day. Drive through the tour of Denmark, by the looks of it, everybody on their bikes,
Yes.
in Lycra.
Oh yeah, all the lycra.
And some random bikes out there. Did you see that one guy that had like push pedals?
Yeah,
He's like a stepper.
yeah, really weird thing. And then the other one that looked like it built his own,
Yeah.
and the whole frame was a battery with
The
massive wheels on
massive
it.
wheels on it.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
I think the weirdest thing is you have to give way to everybody.
Yeah,
So
that's
pedestrians and bikes have total right of way.
yeah, that was absolutely nuts because I didn't have a clue.
Yeah, so you're turning right, but you've got to give way to
Then I realised
coming on the cycle lane.
you got vehicle, traffic light system, and then on the side of the post you got like the bike traffic light system.
Yeah.
So I was trying to watch that.
This is a cafe. It's called the Laundromat Cafe in the middle of Copenhagen, which is yeah. Look at that. It is actually a cafe.
I agree. Exactly what John said.
Super dark early to get off the beach, to get in here.
How much of this stuff do you put in?
I put your clothes, normally put your clothes in first,
Oh, yeah.
otherwise it will go right through the holes.
I said that before and she wasn't happy.
Hey,
Bish bash bosh. Look at this bad boy at the Laundromat Cafe in Copenhagen. G'day everybody, so we are finally in Copenhagen. One of the reasons I wanted to come to Copenhagen is, as many of you would know, that I used to be in the military, in the army, and one of my the regiment I served in, Royal Green Jackets Rifles, one of their famous battle honours, which is on their cap badge, was the Battle of Copenhagen in 1801-03, I think it was. So it was against the Danish and the French, I believe, and obviously the British naval empire came across to stop the blockade of Copenhagen, which resulted in the Battle of Copenhagen. And on board the naval frigates was what was called the Experimental Corps of Riflemen, which was a predecessor in the 1800s to what was then the Royal Green Jackets and the Rifles. So one of my requests when travelling with everybody was I wanted to come to Copenhagen to see this area around here. So we're here. We're going to spend a few hours here today, wander around the fort that I'll show you in a minute, and then we're going to go and drive somewhere else, as if you're going towards the airport, outskirts of Copenhagen, park up for a few hours, and then John and Mandy are heading north to Sweden, and I'm staying by myself. Change of route for me. I'm going to spend a week at least in Denmark exploring. A good friend, Alex Frood, is setting off from England, I think in a week today, and he's making a mad dash across Europe, hoping to meet up with Alex from Mispronounced Adventures on YouTube, and then he's going to be joining John and Mandy for their trek around Sweden to Finland, Estonia. But I'm going to miss that part out now, and I'm going to myself stay in Denmark and then head back towards Germany and straight to Poland. We're going to explore Poland and then meet up with John and Mandy again in Poland. So that's our plan now. So we're just exploring Copenhagen. Enjoy. So we have parked up just over here somewhere. And if you zoom in on the video, on my fingertip you'll see the What 3 Words location. Is that the mermaid in the distance? So I've just driven through 6 countries to come see the world's smallest statue. Very impressed. There you go, I don't need to do an introduction now. that. That's the ballsiest thing I've ever seen. Come on. Whoa! So we're just waiting for the estate agent to show us around property 1, 2, 3 and 4 before we make a decision on which one we're going to buy.
Yep.
Birthplace of Hans Christian Andersen.
Look up, you are standing just below the residence of Hans Christian Andersen. So there is the residence of Hans Christian Andersen.